Hello viewers, in this video we are going to learn 10 commonly used Gen slang, so let's begin. Here are 10 more Gen slang terms. 1. No cap, no lie or no exaggeration. Example, this pizza is fire, no cap. 2. Simp, someone who overly invests in someone they like. Example, you're such a simp for buying her flowers every day. 3. Tea, gossip or juicy information. Example, what's the tea on the latest celebrity scandal? 4. Stan, an overzealous or obsessive fan. Example, I'm a total stan for that new K-pop group. Obsessive fan. Example, I'm a total stan for that new K-pop group. 5. Vibes, a good or bad atmosphere. Example, this place is giving me good vibes. 6. Slay, to excel or do something exceptionally well. Example, you slayed your presentation today. 7. Bet, agreement or confirmation. Example, want to grab food later? Bet, I'll meet you at 5. 8. Mid, something that's mediocre or unimpressive. Example, this movie was mid, I didn't love it. 9. Extra, over the top or dramatic. Example, you're being extra today, calm down. 10. Goals, someone or something that's desirable or aspirational. Example, that couple is relationship goals. These slang terms are fun to learn and use, but remember that language is always evolving. If you liked this video, hit the bell button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Thanks for watching.